Your weather with Jim. First, though, look at this beautiful view of the Boise River Greenbelt.
So pretty.
So nice.
And just steps away from almost everyone.
I know, and that water looks really good. Well, it did yesterday with the heat that we had, record-setting heat. Steve McCamey sent that in, by the way.
Yeah.
Jim, though, the question is now, are we going to see people wanting to jump into whatever body of water is available?
Today.
Oh, yeah, maybe for one more day, but I guarantee by tomorrow it won't be quite so inviting.
Okay. Okay.
Cooling off a little bit. Let's go back to Hurricane Ian and take a look at what's going on. The latest projections and numbers regarding Ian. Now a Category 4 monster southwest of Naples, Florida, heading to the northeast. Of course, this track took it across western Cuba where it did a lot of damage. Key West feeling the effects of it. And now projections are that the winds will stay up over 150 miles per hour to as high as 175 miles per hour as a Category 4 storm system. It's expected to make landfall late this afternoon or evening right around Fort Myers, Florida. That's well south of Tampa, which was the projection yesterday, but things always change with hurricanes as you get closer and closer to landfall. So that's where it will move in with a storm surge of anywhere from 6 to 15 feet on the coast, and also 12 to 24 inches of rainfall, torrential rain. And then as it moves inland across central Florida, it starts to weaken. Still a hurricane when it gets up close to Orlando, and a tropical storm by the time it reaches Daytona Beach tomorrow. And then it moves offshore and curves back in to eastern Georgia and southern South Carolina by the weekend. So powerful storm and a lot of rain coming from Ian as well. Meanwhile, dry across the Treasure Valley, and here in Boise right now at 66 degrees. Southeast winds at 13 miles per hour. That's keeping the temperature up. And yesterday we had records in the 90s. That will be a little bit cooler today, but still well above normal. Storm tracker is showing a few scattered showers popping up, or at least some clouds in eastern Oregon and over central Idaho moving to the east. No reports of precipitation at this point. But as a cold front moves in later on this afternoon onshore and then heads our way by tonight, there will be a few showers developing in eastern Oregon and into the west central mountains late today, and a possible sprinkle or two as that front moves across the Treasure Valley later tonight. The big effect will be a switch in the winds and much cooler air coming our way. So still well above normal in the upper 80s to near 90 degrees today, cooling down to the low 70s by tomorrow. For the Magic Valley, we're looking at temperatures that will be in the upper 80s today. Near record territory once again, but no records expected. Mostly sunny otherwise. Upper 70s and low 80s in the central and western mountain areas today. And for the Treasure Valley, temperatures in the upper 80s with 89 degrees expected in Boise. But look at the cool down by tomorrow. Tonight's front may trigger a sprinkle or two, then mostly sunny and breezy tomorrow and 70 degrees and slowly warm to the upper 70s as we head into October this weekend.